Hello once again. I have another new strategy that I just discovered today. Again, it's very simple. In fact, you only need to pay attention to the indicator window 1 to use this strategy. So the main chart, I have two moving averages there, but they're not really for this particular strategy. I'm using them for something else, and also maybe to check the trend direction. Okay, so straight to the point, how does this strategy work? On my main indicator window 1, I have two lines there. If you follow my crosshair, you will see the blue one, the light blue one, and the white one. And there's a MACD there. Inside, all of them are housed or inside an RSI. I'm using RSI 1000. It doesn't really matter. You can use RSI 1, RSI 7, RSI 7, whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. The most important thing is the levels that we need. So how does this work? We are looking for the white line to cross the blue one at the overbought region, coming downwards. So if you trace it back up, it's around here. So this is not for catching spikes, it's for trading the ticks. So if you enter a sell from here and you TP when the white line touches level 20 on the RSI, which is around here, which is about, in this instance, 20 candles. So this is it. You enter from here. When this white line touches level 20, that's your exit. Entry and exit. In this instance, it gives us 20 candles. Let's back test for more. This is another good signal. There's a crossover here. You enter your sell here. If you want to play it safe, you take 4, 5, 6 candles and you are out. No spikes is going to catch you. Or if you choose to follow this white line all the way to level 20 and you take your profit here. So if we had entered a sell somewhere around here after this crossover, I would have TP'd around here, which is also about 21 candles. Okay, we're looking for perfect crossovers. There's another crossover here. You enter your sell here and you exit somewhere around here just before the spike, about 19-20 candles. So if you're not greedy, 5, 6, 7 candles is more than enough for you. One more. There's another crossover here. You enter your sell when the white line touches level 20. In this instance, also another 20 candles. Let's check. This is good for crash 1000 and boom 1000 only. As we can see, even now we have a signal here. Even though it's a bit late, we have entered. We are a few candles late, but I will take this signal because I believe I can still scalp some more candles. So the idea is enter a buy here. Like we're saying, not catching spikes. So for crash 1000, we'll be buying the ticks, the green candles. So if I had seen this on time, I would have entered and would have taken at least 5 candles, but it's still fine as long as this white line has not hit level 80 or 85. We can still take a few more candles. So let's back test for more, see other places that this strategy worked. Here also, there's a crossover here. If you enter a buy here, you hold it until here, which is about roughly 21 candles. Let's back test for more. One more back test. Then I'll show us the settings. Okay, here is another good buy entry. It's a crossover here. You enter your buy and you exit somewhere here, 26 candles. Awesome. So what are the parameters for this strategy? Like I said before, these moving averages on the main chart, we're not really using them. All we are paying attention is only on the indicator window 1. So you go to your indicator window 1. Like I said, I'm using RSI 1000. You can use whatever you like. Just for my levels, I use 90, 85, 10, 50, and 20. Done. Then inside your RSI, you add your MACD. Fast EMA is 12, slow EMA 18, MACD SMA 5. Apply to close. Your main, you can choose to make it. You can choose to hide it by making it your background color. Mine is black, but I just left it because it's really not important. But I just left it. All we need is a signal line. Because my background is black, I chose a color that will be sharp. That's why I chose white, 4 pixel, and that's why I made the main 1 pixel. Like I said, you can just hide it by making your background color. It's still fine. So I left mine as 1 pixel. You click done. It is this white line here that is the MACD line, the signal line. That is what we need. You don't really need the MACD bars to show, but I just left mine there. So also in that same RSI, you have your moving average, not that one. Moving average 21, shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to close. 4 pixel. I choose this light blue color. You click done, and that is this line here. So you're looking for when this white line crosses the blue one from the oversold region, which is around the 10 region here. You enter your buy here. Since we are buying crash, you can take 5 candles and you're okay, or 10 candles even, or you hold it until this MACD signal line touches level 80 or 85 on your level 85, as in this case here now, and you're out. And that's all about the signal, guys. Have a good one. That's all about the strategy I meant to say.